This is lot number 43. This is a hurricane rated double garage door. It's 16 foot by 85 inches tall. All right, Mike, open it up. You can see how clean it is. All right, shut it down. Not sure when they installed it, but you can see how shiny everything is and how clean everything is. It will come with a Chamberlain LiftMaster professional half horsepower opener with all the essentials and everything. Again, it's 16 foot across, 85 inches tall, the panels. And it does come with an opener and everything. There you go, we'll take it completely apart. You can reinstall it at your location.